On June 2nd, Jupiter is moving into Cancer and is getting exalted. But what nobody is talking about is that Jupiter won't just sit in Cancer. It will move through three different nakshatras and each one feels completely different. First, what does even exaltation here mean? So, in Vedic astrology, every planet has one sign where it works at its best, and for the Jupiter, that sign is Cancer. So when Jupiter enters Cancer, it is not just a regular transit, I would say. It's Jupiter in its most powerful and most giving form. The last time this happened was 2014. So yes, this is a big deal. Now, here is the part most people miss. Cancer has three nakshatras, Punarvasu, Pushya and Ashlesha. And Jupiter will travel through all three of them. First, Jupiter steps into Punarvasu, which is ruled by Jupiter itself. So just imagine Jupiter entering its own nakshatra first in an already exalted sign. Its benefic qualities can feel very direct here. And Punarvasu is about getting another chance. Things that didn't work out earlier, this energy says, try that again. And doors you thought were completely closed might just open. Then Jupiter moves through Pushya Nakshatra, ruled by Saturn now. Now this is interesting because Jupiter and Saturn are very different energies. Jupiter wants growth. Saturn slows things down. But together, the growth becomes lasting, kind of disciplined expansion. Pushya is also considered one of the most auspicious nakshatra in Vedic astrology. So this phase is really, really good. And then Jupiter moves into Ashlesha, ruled by Mercury. Mercury is the planet of thinking, understanding, going deep. So Jupiter here is less about outer things and more about what's happening inside you. So this phase might make you question things, understand situations and people at a deeper level. It's quieter but very powerful in its own way. So three nakshatras, three different ruling planets, three completely different energies, same Jupiter, same Cancer, but a very different experience each time. Now, how this transit will affect you depends on where Cancer falls in your chart. So you go find your number 4 sign in your birth chart, whatever house that is where Jupiter transit is happening. And it will also aspect the houses from there. So you go find out now.